Hey, here we go, Dodge Dart Rallye Edition. Very sexy, very sexy car. $17,995 is the base price. Comes with a bunch of equipment. It costs $22,965. Wow.
Is room enough for you?
I don't know.
Oh, man. No?
Oh, snap. Yeah, not bad. Holy. When did you get this?
Got it yesterday.
Wow. What is it? I just want to. Holy crap.
Okay.
Wow, this is nice. Manual, huh? This is the one with the turbocharged engine.
Yeah. Ultra turbo.
Okay, you got the Navi. Ooh, wow, this is nice. Okay, wow. This is nice cloth. Oh yeah, this. Wow. This is a nice car, man. Okay, so you can push this. Parking brake engaged. You have to turn off the parking brake before you can turn the car on. Okay. Wow, this is nice. How's this radio? Let's see, radio. 103.5.
I've loved and I've lost. Can that phone go loud? Kanye West! Yeah. Swag King Cole.
Ooh, this is nice. Wow. You saw this? This is awesome. Ooh. The multi-air turbo. Okay. Look good. It's a good look. This is nice. Oh, the trunk button is there. This is the first time I've ever seen a trunk button that far under. I'm surprised they didn't put it right below the fuel button, which is on the door. Odd. Alright, let's see about these seats. Do these fold down? Oh yes, look at that. These fold down. They have a nice pass-through. You can fold them all the way down if you're not a tall person. They have a nice pass-through. This is really nice. Dodge Dart. Does it come with a spare? Okay, it does come with a spare. Now the pass-through is a little bit thicker on the left side than it is on the right side, so if you have like a speaker box, you can get that in there. Oh wow, that thing has nice sound. I'm going to ride in it first, and then I'll drive it later. Oh shit, that thing's got nice sound. Damn.
It's priced very low too, which is nice, you know?
Wow. Wow, how does the shifter feel?
It's good. It's very short.
Very short.
Nice, yeah. See how short it is?
Wow. And there's 3 pedals.
Yeah, this is manual. Pretty, a lot of headroom actually as well.
Yeah, this is like really nice.
You can hear the little turbo working hard.
Wow, this is nice. Wow. This is really cool.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It really sounds like a Fiat engine now.
Yeah.
That engine sounds...
Uh-oh, it's the Audis.
That's alright.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kill yourself in that.
Yeah. There's been a couple of people who've got them out. I have a friend with an A8.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's all right. It's all right. I don't really like Audi like that. Oh, there it is. That's that Nissan GTR. There it is.
Yeah.
There it is. You see that thing right away.
Yeah.
That thing right. If you have that car tuned up, they have that Alpha 12. That thing's a murderer.
Oh, really?
Like there's like nothing
Goes on
else
in
that can
3 seconds,
mess
huh?
with it. There's just nothing that can mess with it. Especially for 200,000, you can kill Lamborghinis. You can kill
Yeah.
whatever. Even Bugattis. That's ridiculous. Well, lucky guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is really nice. It's got a nice feel too.
Yeah, for the money you get a lot.
This is like a Rallye version, but isn't it like a red trim or something? Because I saw pictures online.
Yep, you're right. They don't have those yet. but
Not
they
yet.
will. It doesn't have a bad turbo lag either. It's pretty good.
Wow. Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is cool.
That feels really good.
Wow, this is awesome. This is awesome. I like this. It's nice, nice brakes.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's really good. How does it feel over there? Feels alright?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It's not bad.
Yeah, if you get it fully loaded, it's only like 25.5, then you get the bi-xenon lights. That's a good sound to it.
Yeah,
Yeah, right?
yeah. Sounds like a race car.
Yeah. It's like a small Ferrari, you know?
Mm.
so much better than a Neon.
Oh,
Neon was.
yeah, I think when they soup these up, these are gonna be like,
Yeah.
and they're supposed to have an SRT4 coming.
Yep.
I'd read about them. Like this is like all the hype. They keep showing it on Yahoo News. The SRT4. I know somebody with an SRT4 Neon, and he says he loves it. And I think he did a little bit of work on it,
Yeah.
but not much. I think he just like changed his tires or something. Maybe a cold air intake.
The Hyundai Sonata transmission.
Oh, okay.
I think that's the problem with that transmission. You know?
Well, Hyundai makes their own transmissions because they
Yeah.
try to keep all the money in house. So
Yeah.
it's like most of these other manufacturers, they use like a ZF or because even the new Chryslers, they have a ZF just like the Audis have.
Yeah.
But the one thing I don't like, and I hope the 2013 SRT8 doesn't have it, is that that hockey puck shifter. I don't like that. I don't like that. The shifter in my car is so much easier to
you don't like the
to
new
shift
one,
because
yeah.
when you have that hockey puck one, it doesn't engage the way you expect it to engage because like it flops forward, it flops back. I don't like that. I like the traditional shifter. I like the traditional key turn, like the push button start and all that stuff. They, most of that stuff they keep. Honestly, I mean, it's a nice selling factor, but I'm not crazy about it.
Yeah, no,
I'm not crazy about that stuff, especially after those people in that Lexus got killed. I don't know if you heard about that. There was a guy in his family. This guy was in a Lexus,
Yeah.
and he couldn't turn the car off. You remember when they had those problems with the Camrys with the unintended acceleration? Mm-hmm. The guy couldn't stop the car, didn't know how to turn it off. Push button start, no key, so you couldn't just turn it. I think if he had pushed and held it, I think it would have turned off, but I'm not really sure because I've never driven that car or whatever.
Yeah.
But the whole family goes into an intersection like 85, all dead.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and the car just kept speeding up, and there was nothing you could do. It's like certain things I don't want changed. Certain
Yeah.
things.
No, I hear you.
Certain things I do not want changed. We should give her a lift.
Yeah. This is looking way past us. Huh?
It's like, a new Dodge Dart. A new Dodge Dart. Come back when you have a Mercedes S-Class, please.
Yeah.
It was like, no, we're not a taxi. We just,
Wow, I have to pull this car.
yeah, this thing is damn fast.
Yeah, it is.